Hi friends, welcome back. Today's video is again a very special one. We have got a Fiat 500. These are the limited edition model in India. There are very few numbers of this. Talking about this vehicle, the story began with the speaker upgrades, and then so many modifications have been done one back to back. So friends, as per the speakers are concerned, we have used this JBL components for the front two doors, and we have used this JBL again a stadium series coaxial for the rear two doors. Also done the complete damping in this doors for the, it's a two-layer damping. You can see the difference. It's really giving you a very tough noise, and that has really made the cabin really very soft. Come, let's have a look. Friends, we have also updated the lights of this vehicle. We have used this DHC, that is a 220 watts light. For the headlights, we have done that. The bumper lamps, we have done that. In addition to this, we have used this Aozoom 2 inches projector lamps. You can see the installation. It is done very neatly. It is apparently looking like it's a factory fitted product. Friends, the most interesting part of this car is the Alpine head unit. It's a touchscreen device. It's a very special model, having a 5 volts output, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless. You can check out this model number. This is Alex F509E. It's a very special model. So friends, I'm sure these are very few cars in India, but this is one of its own kind. Friends, the most interesting part of this car was the seat covers, which we have made it customized from Stanley. This is a touch classic product where 80% of the sitting area where person has got his body touch is made of pure leather, and the composite portions made of artificial leather. It is exactly matching the interiors just like the OEM color. We have specially made it in perforation, which is adding on the beauty of that car. Initially the car was having a chrome aesthetic. We have completely dechromed it to a gloss black color. You can see these articles, the small elements, which is really adding on the beauty of the car. You can check out these handles also. Those also we have made it in gloss black. The rear number plate chrome, we have converted into a gloss black one. We have dechromed it, same as the rear bumper panel. So all that thing is really making car look really good. For any such modification, no matter whatever car it may be, you can always contact us. As you guys know, we will come back with the best of best solution as always. Thank you so much. Stay tuned, stay healthy. Thank you.